Well, hello there, internet friends and family. Today is Friday, August 1st, 2014, and it's our last day here in Duck Creek in southern Utah, and my mom and my nephew and his fiance were taking a little ATV drive out to Strawberry Point, and this happened. I'll insert the photo. There is our sad flat tire on our ATV. It's a four-person ATV, and I don't know, we don't know what happened, but hopefully someone will come and help us get back home. Yes, we got a flat tire. We are out here in the middle of nowhere, seriously, in the middle of nowhere, and fortunately there were some other ATVs who just went by. We put my mom in with them to go back and get help. We're quite a distance from where we're staying, and we're just out on this trail, so there you go. But anyway, there's no better place to be stuck because there's quaking aspens behind me over there. There's puffy clouds so far. We do have ponchos in case it starts pouring rain. But it is just, we're stranded in nature, and I can't think of a better place to be stranded, frankly. So anyway, I will give you an update when the cavalry comes back. Obviously they'll have to go get reinforcements and repair kits or something for the tire, maybe a new tire, who knows. So we're going to be out here all afternoon, which is cool. I did not want to be stuck at home today, so I got my wish. So anyway, update to come.
I my camera, I forgot.
Okay, well, one of our texts managed to get through where we had no cell phone service, and my other nephew came and brought a spare tire, so we're seeing where we can get going here. Okay, for the second time today, we're involved in a rescue. We just came out to Duck Creek Ice Cave, and there's a woman who has fallen, apparently, broken her ankle. So we're about to do a rescue. My battery is about to die, so I may just take some photos, but there's enough guys up here that we think we can get her up out of the cave. It's kind of down in a hole, kind of like the Mammoth Cave from the other day.
Okay. All right, you're almost there. You're almost there. Hang in there.
Okay.
Keep breathing. You're good. You're doing awesome. Okay, tell us when you're ready.
Go. Oh. All right. You're pretty much. Oh, just 1 second.
No, that's fine. Yep. Okay, hold on.